Hi, my name is Emily, and today I will be teaching you how to create an iMovie. The agenda for this iMovie demo includes adding photos and/or videos to your movie, adding transitions to your movie, adding text to your movie, and adding music to your movie. To begin your iMovie, you will want to add pictures and videos. To do so, click on My Media in the top toolbar of your screen, and then click on Photos Library towards the left of your screen. And from here, you will have all your photos and videos where you can directly click on them and drag them to where you would like them to appear within your movie. As you can see, I have already added some photos and videos to my movie. Next, you may want to add some transitions between photos and videos to make them flow better. To do so, click on Transitions to the right of your upper toolbar. From here, you have various transitions to choose from. Again, you just have to click and drag where you would like them to go. Now you may want to add some text to your video. To do so, go to Titles in the upper toolbar. From here, you have various options to choose from. When you decide, click and drag it on top of the image where you would like it to appear. Then you are able to type in what you would like it to say. Lastly, it is time to add some music to your video. Go to Audio in the upper toolbar. From here, you have various different sounds that you can choose from. You are able to play them to test them out. Once you have decided, click it and drag it underneath of all of your photos and videos. From there, you are able to drag it to the duration of your video. Your video is now completed. To preview your video, click at the beginning of your movie and press spacebar to preview it.